All right, so I wanted to highlight 8668, which is known as the Navigator's veranda. And I found this room listed at a discount. And I'll show you why here in a second, but I'll show the room first. Oh, there's my wife. Hi.
Hello.
So our room comes with one queen bed, and it is very comfortable. I've slept pretty good here. This is our final night, so wanted to give some feedback first on that. And the room itself, you'll see, I mean, it's comfortable. It's not, it's a cruise ship room, so they're not the biggest. But you do have a couch. The couch itself is pretty hard.
Yeah, it's not very comfortable.
Yeah, it's not very comfortable. But that does convert into one of the beds. And then up above, that'll drop too. So you could sleep 4 people in here relatively comfortably, right? If you wanted to. And so let me show you a few things about the room when it comes to space and packing. You'll see that this is really the only cabinet that you can use, because in here you've got a fridge, and I did use this, sorry, so you can use this as well. But there's a lot of plugs in the room, which the last time we cruised, we brought one of these because there wasn't enough plugs in the room. But not only do you have those there, but on both sides of the bed, you also have these as well. And I do like that they have both standard USB and Lightning plug-in. That's a huge plus, so you can keep things plugged in your room. There are some storage areas along the way here. You can see we've got some stuff stored up here, which is good. But what's great is the closet itself. It's pretty big. And so you've got plenty of space to hang things. You can stack some stuff up here if you wanted to, next to the life preservers. We bring a couple of these collapsible hampers, and we put those in there to put all of our dirty clothes. It does come with a safe, great spot to put some shoes. And then, of course, you can fold stuff and put that up there as well. But in addition to those 2 spots, you get a third spot where you can hang more clothes as well. Same thing goes here. You can put stuff up there. Here's my hamper. So decent enough, especially for just the 2 of us. We overpack because we like to change multiple times throughout the day. This is really cute. You want to say anything about this? Because when you walked in the room, you were like, oh my God.
Yeah, I had a meltdown.
Yeah.
It would appear, because I haven't toured every room, but if you walk on the floors of the ship, every level seems to be themed differently, and Sleeping Beauty is my favorite Disney cartoon of all time. Aurora is my favorite princess. So walking in and seeing that we had a Sleeping Beauty themed room caused me to go into a complete meltdown. I love this picture,
Yeah.
but that one over here is just, it's everything
Pretty
to
special.
me. Their red fairy up there, that's Flora. That's, our cat is named after her. So that's very, very, very meaningful to me.
Yeah. Very cute. I thought when we came in at night, I thought these were glowing. They were not. It was just the reflection of whatever light we had on at the time. So if you're curious if those turn on, because I know a lot of the Disney resorts will have things like that. But the mirror itself, like getting ready right here, was nice, right?
Yeah.
And what's really great is you have 2 spots. You've got a separate shower area with a full-length mirror. The shower itself is functional. You can raise and lower the head if you want to. I whacked my elbows on that and kept bumping into this. This door does open. It goes this way, and if I move that, you can see it'll open this way as well. No real cabinet space. Got a trash can there. I guess you could put a couple things down there. But you can get ready here. You can see we've got some spots here where we put a couple things. But yeah, I do love that they come in and they clean the room every single morning, and then they set the room up at night.
But they clean it kind of again in the afternoon.
Yeah.
We've used We have never used a towel more than once because they replace them in the morning and at nighttime.
Yeah.
It's
wonderful.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
So we constantly have 4 clean towels in the bathroom.
Well, and
constantly.
they also leave these cute little designs on your bed. This one they left us this morning because we are celebrating our 20th year anniversary, and they had it on the bed, and I wanted to keep it, so I moved it over to the couch, and they kept it there. But adjacent to the shower, you've got a private loo, and you could get ready in here as well. This kind of feels like a motorhome does. Both the shower and the bathroom. You got some more storage here on the wall. This might be the loudest toilet I've ever heard. A lot like an airplane. All right, so the real question is, what makes this a Navigator's veranda? And I'll tell you right now that we saved about $400 because this part right here, you're at the towards the back of the boat. The room next to us does not have a veranda. They will have just the windows, the ports, so they get an ocean view. So we are the last, and as you can see, there's more verandas straight ahead. But guys, this saved about $400 just because a section of your view is a little obstructed. But if you look, it's such a small amount. And as I sat here looking out, my view is wonderful. And same thing here. So I'll tell you right now, if I'm going to book another veranda, I would absolutely do the Navigator's veranda, because that savings alone is enough to, get a lot of drinks on the boat. It'll save you some money. So if you're considering this, and if you're wondering too, is being on the back of the boat worse than being in the middle or the front? Our last cruise was on the middle. This was identical. I didn't feel as though the ship was any different from the back as it was really anywhere in the ship. And it's been a wonderful cruise. So this is 8668. We did find one video on YouTube. So if you are looking for this this particular room, you want to know what the Navigator's veranda is, now you know. Would I book it? 100%. Is it worth the savings? Absolutely. So if you're considering it, do it. That's all I'll say. All right. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, give us a thumbs up. If you didn't, give us a thumbs up anyway. That way it'll get in front of the people that really dislike our content. Okay. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.